Innovation took center stage in Santa Clara as Microchip Technology showcased the future of intelligent edge computing at the RISC-V Summit 2025. From automotive to industrial automation, our demos highlighted the power and efficiency of PolarFire SoC FPGAs. The Mi-V ecosystem provides a unified platform for building RISC-V-based applications across markets like industrial, aerospace, automotive, and edge computing. It supports PolarFire FPGAs and SoCs, PIC64 microprocessors, and our space-grade PIC64-HPSC MPU, offering a consistent development path for innovation at every level. Our driver monitoring system demo used advanced vision detection to recognize distraction, fatigue, and more, all in real time.
So, when a driver is driving the car and if he is distracted, it will directly say that the driver is distracted. Or suppose if a driver is using his phone while driving, for example like this, it will say that don't use phone while driving.
With our PolarFire FPGA-based bridge, we connected SLV-SEC and CoExpress 2.0, delivering high-speed data transport for cutting-edge machine vision and robotics.
This is a great solution for medical imaging applications with endoscopes and factory automation where you need on-the-factory applications that require inspection of wafers, AOI, area scan cameras, and things like that. Perfect solution for edge AI types of applications.
In the smart factory, time-sensitive networking powered precise, synchronized motor control, built for reliable performance in industrial automation. And at the edge, the Vector Blocks Accelerator SDK showcased low-power AI inference under 5 watts.
In this demo, we are showcasing facial recognition, but it can also be used for license plate detection or even pose estimation.
From vision to automation to AI, Microchip continues to power the intelligent edge, driving the next generation of RISC-V innovation.